come now to another way of extracting data from an HTML file, and this is by navigating the HTML tree. And by navigating this tree, we can extract siblings, parents, or children. First of all, let's have a look at what does mean this HTML tree. Let's have a look at our HTML file here. For example, the UL, an unordered list here, the UL, is the parent of all those tags. So here the UL is a parent, and all those list items are the children of this parent. Another thing, if you have tags at the same level, like here the H2 and the P tag, those two tags are called siblings. So they are on the same level. They are siblings. Here the same thing for the list items, the LI here, the LI are called also siblings because they are on the same level. As you can see here, the line, the same level. So they are siblings and they are the children of the UL tag. So this is a quick view of the HTML tree, and it is, of course, as you understood, specific to each HTML file. Now let's see how to extract those siblings, parent, and children. To extract the siblings, you can use this code. So here I am going to find the next sibling of the first list item. So to find the first list item, it's item equal soup.find li, and next sibling with a lowercase between next and sibling will be equal to item.find next sibling method. So find next sibling of li and then print next sibling dot text to show us the text inside this sibling. Let's have a look on Jupyter Notebook. So in Jupyter Notebook, we wrote the same code that I have read, and normally it will show us the next item, the next sibling of part2 museum. So here this is the first list item, part2 museum, and this is the second item, so the next sibling of this one. So this is the first one, and this is its next sibling. The output will be normally National Museum of Carthage. Let's check this. Control Enter, and let's see the output. So this is okay. National Museum of Carthage is the next sibling of the first list item, part2 museum. Let's see now how to extract the parent of an item. So here the item that we want to extract its parent, sub.find. So we will look here for the parent of the list item. Here you can print it just to see it. You can remove this print and you can move directly to print item.parent.text. Let's see this in Jupyter Notebook. So we wrote the code in Jupyter Notebook, and you can check here the parent of the list item, this first list item, is the UL. So if the code is right, it will show us the UL tags. Let's press Ctrl Enter and see the answer. So this is the answer. It's the UL tag, but it showed us here only the text because we use the dot text. If you want all the tag, you can remove the dot text and press Ctrl Enter, and this is all the UL elements. So this is okay for looking for the parent of this tag. Now finally, to extract the children, it's the same thing, and you will here use the dot children. Here we will going to look for the children of the UL element, and the answer here is a list iterator object because the answer is inside a list. So this is a quick explanation of how to extract element from an HTML file using the HTML tree. In the next lesson, we will see how to extract data from an HTML file using CSS selectors.